Hello and welcome to another Bleistift video, and today we want to determine the winners of the contest that was held for the first ever mechanical pencil day. I said contest, it's more of a giveaway. Before the deadline there were 143 valid comments. We can check later, so the last one was after the deadline. The deadline is listed here. So I get a random number generator. I will look for a number and then we'll check who wrote that comment. Okay, we want a number between 1 and 143. 91. Okay, let's check who wrote the 91st comment. Okay, search. So all the comments have July 2018 in the name. Okay, so the first hit is in the text. The second hit is the first comment. We want the 91st comment. So I need to go down to number 92. Okay, 92 is Christian without the H. Yeah. So the 92nd hit is the 91st commenter. Okay, I'll do some behind the scenes checks later, whether, in the back end of my blog I can see more information about the people submitted, so I can check whether Christian has only commented once. But let's assume he only commented once. Let's get a second random number. And we've got 123. So we need the 124th comment. That is Elia. If Christian picks his pencil, then Elia can pick the pencil next. So congratulations to the winners.